Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our mental status exam template. A mental status exam, or an MSE, is a very commonly used tool across mental health to assess a patient's current mental state. The MSE serves as an important part of a mental health assessment. The results of the MSE help the clinician to distinguish between different diagnoses and serve as the basis for their formulation process. The first step to using our MSE template is to download the free PDF. You can also access the template from within Carepatron, which I'll show you at the end of the video. First, fill in your patient's information at the top of the page, including the date of your session. Next, work through each of the MSE sections, including observations, mood, cognition, perception, thoughts, behavior, and insight and judgment. As you go, add in any comments or additional notes you have in the spaces provided. Finally, sign at the bottom of the form and ensure you store it securely to preserve your patient's confidential information. To get a better idea of our mental status exam template, take a look at our example MSE here. Pause the video to take a closer look. To access this template from within Carepatron, select your client from your patient list. Then click Create Note. Hover over this button and click See Template Library. You can then search Carepatron's entire community template library. Search by keyword and click the result you want to use. The template will then be loaded into your draft tab. And here it is. Within the draft tab, you can fill it out as you need. When you're done, click Publish.